Molly, the spirited and playful dog, was the joy of her human family. Her antics and boundless energy filled their lives with laughter. One summer, the family decided to camp by the lakeside. The idyllic setting was perfect for bonding. Molly's tail wagged in excitement as they played in the water. As evening descended, a fierce thunderstorm struck. Fear gripped the family, but Molly's joyful spirit remained unyielding. She led them into their tent, where they huddled together. Molly's playful antics and affectionate nudges eased their fear, teaching them the resilience of love in the face of adversity. In the storm's passing, the family realized that Molly's presence had transformed even the scariest moments into cherished memories.